Inside this building is a hive of activity. Squeezed into these compartments, hundreds of influencers are streaming live and selling everything, from teapots to cosmetics. 38-year-old Edozel is the man behind it all. Once an influencer himself, he has more than 3 million followers. Now, as a businessman, he's created this virtual megastore with an annual turnover of €1 million.
They sell pajamas, home livings. This is one of the popular brands, cement clothing. And this is one of the national team's official jersey. So they have their own separate rooms. This is one of the top sellers.
More than 250 brands are on sale here, from unknown makes to household names. They pay €1,800 every month to have their products both sold here and showcased on social media with photos and video.
Jadi social bread sebenarnya kita aplikasi yang menghubungkan.
We simply made an application that puts small businesses in touch with sellers. We're a bit like Uber, which puts drivers in touch with passengers. Well, we're the same, but with all of these products.
Ojek kita menghubungkan small business owner dengan live streamers gitu.
Celine has been working here for 6 months. She's 19 and sells her products live on Instagram, generating back-to-back sales. She takes home a monthly salary of €400 in a country where the minimum wage is €300, and she only has to work 3 hours per day.
I love this work. It complements my studies.
Online shopping is big business in Indonesia, worth €52 billion per year. It's one of the world's most connected countries. 139 million people are signed up to social media networks, and amongst them, countless influencers with millions of followers. And it's a line of work that's drawing in more and more young Indonesians. In this private school in a Jakarta suburb, social media is even offered as a class, and it's one of the most popular courses available.
Ini namanya tripod. Ya, tripod ini.
So that's a tripod.
Ya, tapi di sini enggak. Kamera di sini.
Then you use your telephone like a camera.
Telepon kalian. Ya.
It's very important to use a light.
Ada ring light. Nah, ring light.
It looks better aesthetically.
Jadi lebih beauty.
These marketing students are between 15 and 16 years old. During the lessons, which last 4 hours, they're taught strategy and how to put it into practice.
Traditional door-to-door sales is a thing of the past. It's tiring and limited. Online selling's the future.
I want to be an influencer because I want to be known throughout the world.
Indonesia has become a stomping ground for online sales platforms. Analysts expect the sector to generate an annual turnover of €80 billion by 2029.